Welcome to Pro Hands Home Improvement, your trusted guide for all things home renovation in the City of Angels. Today, we're diving into the world of window replacement costs in Los Angeles for 2026. Whether you're upgrading your current home or preparing a property for resale, understanding the cost and factors involved is crucial. Several factors affect the cost of window replacement. The type of window, such as casement, double hung, or sliding, can significantly influence pricing. Materials like vinyl, wood, and fiberglass each come with their own price tags and benefits. Additionally, opting for energy-efficient windows might be an initial investment but can lead to savings on your energy bills in the long run. In 2026, typical window replacement costs in Los Angeles range from $450 to $1,200 per window, including installation. Vinyl windows tend to be the most budget-friendly, averaging around $500 each, while wood windows can climb upwards of $1,200. Labor costs in LA generally range from $100 to $300 per window, depending on the complexity of the installation. To get the most out of your investment, consider these tips. Always measure twice and finalize your design choices before purchasing. Choose a reputable installer with great reviews to ensure quality workmanship. Lastly, check for any local rebates or incentives for energy-efficient upgrades that might offset initial costs. If you're ready to start your window replacement project or need expert advice, visit ProHandsHandyman.com. Our team at Pro Hands Home Improvement is here to make your renovation journey smooth and successful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more home improvement insights.